How to install 3-light Rebecca flush mount. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew the ball knobs from the canopy, then remove the mounting plate. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the canopy with the mounting screws. Attach the canopy using ball knobs. Screw stem onto the top of canopy until tight. Remove accessories from stem. Install bulbs. Pass the glass shade, plastic washer, and iron washer through the stem. Then tighten with the hex nut. Fix the flat cover to the stem with the column nut. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.